We've taken a look before at the reference frame feature, but it's really going to come in handy here. In this shot, we've got a very complex scene with multiple types of textures, strong lines, and other material. I also see some points where the shot is moving, and we have intersection there on the subject with the smartphone. Now there's a pretty egregious part here towards the end where it really overlaps, but I'm going to try right about in here. Let's also zoom this back a little bit to 50% to start, so we can see better the edges. Now in this shot, we've got a lot of movement, a very complex background, and overlapping subjects. Looks like a pretty good frame there. We're going to use this as a reference frame to generate new pixels. To do this, I'll park the playhead where needed and grab the pen tool. What I'm looking for is to select the area that we don't want. Now you notice it's making a shape layer. It's really important that when you're doing this, you have the footage layer selected. Otherwise, you'll get unexpected results. There we go. I'll make a basic selection around this phone and come around here and choose the subject. I'm going a little bit looser because there's a lot of movement in this footage. Let's set that to none and we'll check how the mask is doing. Not bad. There's a bit of movement there. So I need to expand that. There we go. Let's see if the frame stays clean. So far so good. Getting a little close there on the hair. Dragging through. So far so good. There's the phone. Now over here at the very end, with a lot of overlap, those frames may not be salvageable. It's getting pretty complex. But this looks to be a good place to generate our reference frame. Right about there. So with the playhead positioned, and the footage layer selected, I'll just go to the Content Aware Fill panel and click the Create Reference Frame button. But before I do so, let's set this mask back to subtract, so it removes the material. And now we can generate the reference frame. In doing so, it sends the file to Photoshop. So let's switch there and work for a little while.